Today we're going to use the MOHR CT100B to find intermittent faults with envelope plot in the new simplified menu. Let's get started. Always remember to properly discharge static before connecting to any high-frequency test equipment, and never connect to live equipment. A feature unique to the MOHR CT100 series TDR is the ability to find and locate intermittent transient faults using a function called envelope plot. Using traditional testing methods and even our own live trace, intermittent faults could be missed due to our inability to perceive them. The CT100B's envelope plot mode can catch and display transient faults as short as 2 milliseconds in duration. That's nearly 50 times faster than the eye can see. Now you have it recorded on screen and can measure exactly where the fault is at. And now it's even easier to access thanks to the new simplified menu. To use envelope plot, connect your cable to the TDR and find the section of cable that you want to test or the entire cable. Press the blue menu button and finally envelope plot on or off. There are two modes within envelope plot, fill mode on and fill mode off. Fill mode on will fill the entire area after the first detected fault. Fill mode off has the ability to show multiple faults as they happen. When envelope plot is running, you'll notice a timer in the upper left corner. This timer resets when the envelope plot is turned off and when the reset button is pushed. This is one of our test cables from an earlier video showing types of faults. This piece has an abrasion that compromises the outer shielding and exposes the center conductor. As I manipulate the cable off screen, you can see the blue lines filling in and the more prominent ones become orange. Zooming in and measuring with our second cursor, we can see the damage is about 1.26 meters from the start of the cable. Use the reset button to clear the plots and start showing new ones. Notice the arrows pointing to the top and bottom of the recorded area. These arrows represent the impedance range of the intermittent fault displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. And while being able to save a screenshot directly to a USB drive has always been an option to save an envelope plot, it has not always been practical or available in secure areas where such drives are not permitted. This software update allows you to save a picture of that envelope plot directly to the CT100B to recall later or transfer to any computer or compatible USB drive for analysis at a later time. Envelope plot makes it easier for technicians to find and locate intermittent faults down to connector level detail. Even multiple faults as seen here in this 1,000-foot cable. A single technician can connect to a device under test, do a full visual inspection while manipulating known potential problem areas, then see the results recorded on screen. And now even save them directly to the CT100B for analysis and archiving at a later time. There you have it, envelope plots. Just one more way the MOHR CT100B is engineered to save you time and money. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have additional questions, please feel free to check out our website at mohrtm.com or reach out to us via phone or email, and we'll see you next time.